everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel. My name is Jason and I typically do unboxings on this channel. And this video today will be no different. It will be an unboxing. This is actually the second video I'm filming today. I just filmed my Ice Cream Beauty subscription box. And this one will be another beauty subscription box. Like I said, I typically do unboxings, but I did this in my last video. I've done a few other things in this video. I do some vlogs and I've done cooking videos and things like that. So, but let's go ahead and just get into this video. It is mid-November when I'm filming this, and this is for the AIA Beauty Bundle. So sorry about that little ring light there, but we've got this baby here, and I now have a brain fart. I cannot remember what the monthly subscription cost of this is. So when I'm editing the video, I will either put it in the video or in the description. But anyway, this is a monthly subscription box. And you get, it's usually from either like influencers that put together a collection or like an actual brand that puts together a collection of beauty products each month. So this is for November. Let's go ahead and open her up, and just has the paper in there. Let me pull that out. When you pull it out, this is what you see. So you get a card. In this month's we get, okay, so it's Alamar. So these are Alamar products, and on the back here it tells you all the products you're getting and the retail value, which is great. So I don't know if I've ever tried anything from Alamar before, but let's go ahead and pull these out. The last AIA box I got was Play Cosmetics or something, Play Makeup, Play Beauty, anyway. I didn't even touch any of the products in that box. It just didn't really speak to me. So I actually have a video where I'm giving away that box. So I don't put giveaway in the title of the videos. So you just have to watch the video to the end to find out. But I do have a giveaway for last month's, which was the Play Beauty, Play Cosmetics, whatever it was. So let's go ahead and just start pulling out what we got in this one. First thing is the set of brushes. So it looks like there's green ones on the back here, which I kind of wish I would have gotten, but I think they're the same. It's just different colors. So these are Ojitos Brush Trio, if I'm saying that correctly. They're Brush Trio Volume 1 or, okay, Volume 1 or 2. So this retails for, it looks like 18. I don't have my glasses on, folks, because if I wear my glasses, then I get the reflection of the ring light. So if I struggle with reading the descriptions or prices, that's why. But let's go ahead and open this. I have lots of brushes, but the more makeup looks I do, the more brushes will be helpful, because then I won't have to wash them so frequently. I can just pull new ones. So let's see here. All right. So these are what the brushes look like. And they feel nice. $18 isn't a bad price for that. So, all right. Good start. Let's go ahead and put these to the side here. And let's pull out the next thing, which is another brush. So we've got two types of brushes in here. This one is, looks like it might be like a highlighter or blush brush. This is from Wet Shine Highlighting Brush for $14. So again, I'm not mad about brushes, but to get two sets of brushes in the same box, I don't know. I'm not thrilled about that, but I'll use it. So, all right. Next thing in here is plumping lip water from, well, I was gonna say from Alamar. Everything in here is from Alamar. So, This is what it looks like, and this is on the card. You could have gotten blue or this. So the okay, this is going to have a a red hot tingle is what it says. Retails for $20. I don't have anything on my lips right now, so let's go ahead and give this a try and see if this affects the rest of my video. Anyway, let's okay. So it has a slight red tint, but really not much at all. And so far, it's not tingling too bad, so that's good. It doesn't feel too sticky. Yeah. I do feel a little... Okay, now the tingling's coming a little bit. Yeah. Huh. It's like putting pepper on your lips. That's interesting. I don't typically use lip plumpers, so this will be interesting to see. Other than that, so far it seems okay. If I end up ooh, that's, yep. That's a tingling. So, all right. Let's see if we can get through the rest of this before I might have to take this off. Next thing in here is, it's a highlighter. So I am happy to try a new highlighter. Ooh, this is definitely red hot tingle, but so far not too unbearable, but I can feel it. All right. So this is what the package looks like, the back looks like, and let's see what, ooh, that's pretty. It's got a little mirror, and then that is the shade. And let's see what this looks like against my skin. I'm almost afraid to dip into that just because it's pretty. Wow. Okay, so there, it's really pretty. It actually is really good for my skin tone, I think. Yeah, I think that's the best way. That's pretty. Okay. I am happy to try that. That is good if even for like a no makeup look, if you just want a little bit of shine. All right, and did I say what the price on this was? Was it, wow, is this only 20? Yeah, I think this is $20. Okay, that's not bad. Happy to have this. And then it looks like the last thing in here is an eyeshadow palette. So let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. So there's 5 items, and the eyeshadow palette is going to be, let's see, retail for $28. And this is the eyeshadow palette. Let's open her up and see what she looks like. And this is what she looks like. Back. And okay, so this is pinks and purples. It does have another mirror. Let's go ahead and take that off. And this is what she looks like. I'm not going to swatch this because I have other palettes that are very similar. So I'm going to go ahead and put this aside into a giveaway. But I like the color story. I just don't use a lot of pinks or purples. So, and if I do want to try a pink or purple look, I have other eyeshadow palettes I can do that with. So, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in, but let's do a quick recap of what we get in this AIA. So we get the palette, we get the highlighter, which was very pretty. We get the lip plumper, which does tingle. So far, again, it's not too bad. And we get the set of 3 eyeshadow brushes and then the highlighter brush. So, what do I think of this box? I think you get your money's worth for sure. Is it my favorite? Not really. Do I like it better than the Play that from last month? I do, because I can see myself using more of the products in here. But other than that, yeah, I'm just excited to see what I get on a month-to-month basis. So, like I said, I can't remember off the top of my head what the price of this is per month. I want to say it's like $34 or somewhere around there, but I'll put it in the description below or in the video when I'm editing. So other than that, that will do it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have not already done so, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. My numbers are slowly building. I'm in the mid 700s, like 750 something. My goal right now, my next little milestone is to get to 800, and I have a giveaway video for when I hit 800. So hopefully I will get to that soon. And then I'm going to set more goals from there. But right now, I'm just hoping for 800. So like I said, if you're not subscribed already, if you would hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. And hitting the thumbs up, like the video, that will help me out too. And comments. Let me know down below what you think. I like to communicate with people. Even if I only have time to heart a comment, just know I am reading them. This channel, it's a small channel, it's just me, so I'm the one doing everything. So when you do comment, I do see it, and I do appreciate the comments. So yeah, I hope everybody out there is staying happy, healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.